Have you ever wanted a new outlet? Here's 10 easy steps that anyone can follow. Step 1. Use a stud finder to locate where your new box will go. Step 2. To either side of the stud, trace the outlet box using a level and then cut out. Step 3. Make a small hole in the ceiling directly above the new outlet. I place a zip tie through the hole to be able to see it in the attic. Step 4. In the attic, find your hole and drill a 5/8 hole in the stud behind your marker. Step 5. Use fish tape to feed the wire from the attic to your new outlet. Step 6. Set up your new outlet by putting the wire through your box, attaching the box to the wall, and stripping the cord in order to separate the wires. Step 7. Attach the wires to your outlet and then screw into the box. The black cord on brass screw, white cord on light screw, and the grounding cord on the green screw. Step 8. Create your pigtails and place in Wago connectors. Separate your cords, measure, clip, 3 spaces for the old cord, new cord, and your pigtail. Flip to open, insert cord, flip to shut, and lock in place. Step 9. Turn power off at circuit breaker and test the cords and outlets to make sure no power is coming through. Step 10. Place your new wires in the old box and connect all wires using Wago connectors. To be extra safe, I wrapped all the Wago connectors with electrical tape so that none of the tabs would pop open. Here's your pigtail that you are going to connect to your outlet. Repeat the process with your white wire. Next, twist your grounding wires together and put your grounding wire connector on, making sure that one wire is sticking out to be able to wrap around the screw. Once finished, turn your power back on at the circuit breaker, check with your voltage tester, and voila! You have your new outlet. Oh, you know what? I forgot. I forgot that I need my drill. Gotta go find that one. Stripped part of the way. Oh, jeez. Oh gosh. Ooh, gotta take a breather sometimes. I'm sweating so bad.